Hello, my name is Dr. Asma from the Department of PG Studies in Chemistry, Government Science College, Hassan. Welcome to UV visible spectroscopy class where I will be discussing Woodward-Fieser rules for calculating absorption maximum of alpha-beta unsaturated aldehydes, ketones, benzene and benzene derivatives. The carbonyl compounds show characteristic absorption due to the non-bonding electrons present on the oxygen atom. The first transition involves the promotion of one of the pi electrons to an antibonding pi star orbital. It corresponds to shorter wavelength and is very intense. The second transition involves the promotion of one of the non-bonding electron to pi star orbital. It corresponds to longer wavelength and is less intense. It is also called as R band. According to Woodward-Fieser rule for alpha-beta unsaturated aldehydes and ketones, the base value for acyclic alpha-beta unsaturated ketone is 215 nanometer. Base value for 6-membered cyclic alpha-beta unsaturated ketone is 215 nanometer. Base value for 5-membered cyclic alpha-beta unsaturated ketone is 202 nanometer. And for alpha-beta unsaturated aldehydes is 210 nanometer, and for alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid and ester it is 197 nanometer, and the increments for different substituents is as follows. Similarly, the increments for the substituents at alpha, beta, gamma and delta position is as shown here. The carbon atom very next to the functional group is alpha carbon atom, which has been shown using yellow color. So the substituent attached to this alpha carbon will be alpha substituent. The substituent attached to the beta carbon will be beta substituent. The substituent attached to the gamma carbon is gamma substituent, and the substituents attached to the delta carbon will be delta substituent. This molecule is an example for acyclic alpha-beta unsaturated ketone, where I have used blue color to represent the conjugated double bonds and red color represents the substituents. So, we know that the base value for alpha-beta unsaturated ketone is 215 nanometer, and there are two beta alkyl substituents which contributes 24 nanometer. So by adding 215 and 24 we get the lambda max of this molecule, which is 239 nanometer. This molecule is an example for 6-membered cyclic alpha beta unsaturated ketone. As we can see here, there are two substituents attached to the conjugated double bond. One is at alpha position and the second one is at beta position. Therefore, the base value for 6-membered alpha beta unsaturated ketone is 215 nanometer, and one alpha substituent contributes 10 nanometer, and the increment for beta substituent is 12 nanometer. Therefore, the lambda max of this molecule is 237 nanometer. This molecule is also an example for 6-membered alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and there are three substituents which are represented using red color. One is at alpha position and two are at beta position. So the base value for 6-membered alpha beta unsaturated ketone is 250 nanometer, and alpha substituent contributes 10 nanometer. There are two beta substituents which contributes 24 nanometer, and there is one double bond which is exocyclic to two rings. Therefore, it contributes 10 nanometer. The lambda max of this molecule is 259 nanometer. Consider this example where we can see there are three substituents attached to the conjugated double bonds. One is hydroxy substituent at alpha position and 2 alkyl substituents at beta position. So the base value is 215 nanometer. One hydroxy substituent at alpha position contributes 35 nanometer. Two beta alkyl substituents contribute 24 nanometer. Therefore, the lambda max of this molecule is 274 nanometer. This molecule is an example for 5-membered alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and there are 3 substituents attached to the conjugated system. One is at beta, one is at gamma, and there is one ring residue attached to the conjugated system at delta position. So the base value for 5-membered alpha beta unsaturated ketone is 202 nanometer. One beta alkyl substituent contributes 12 nanometer. Gamma and delta ring residues contributes 18 nanometer each, and there is one extending conjugation which has been represented using green color at 30 nanometer, and there is one exocyclic double bond which is the double bond present in the 7-membered ring which contributes 5 nanometer. Therefore, the lambda max of this molecule is 285 nanometer. This molecule has two conjugated system. One is the shorter conjugated system and the second one is longest conjugated system as shown here. So whenever we come across such examples, we have to consider the longest conjugation system. So this molecule has 3 substituents. One is at alpha position, one at beta position, and one at delta position. So the base value for this molecule is 215 nanometer. The alpha ring residue contributes 10 nanometer, beta ring residue contributes 12 nanometer, delta ring residue contributes 18 nanometer. There is one extending conjugation which contributes 30 nanometer, and there is one homoannular conjugated diene as shown here which contributes 39 nanometer. Therefore, the lambda max of this molecule is 324 nanometer. Benzene shows the maximum absorption at the wavelength of 254 nanometer, which is the result of forbidden transition in the highly symmetrical benzene molecule. Consider the structure 1. So the base value for the benzene derivatives where G is alkyl or ring residue is 246 nanometer. The base value for benzene derivative where G is hydrogen will be 250 nanometer, and if G is OH or OR, that is carboxylic acid or ester, then the base value will be 230 nanometer, and the increment for different substituent is as shown here. The substituent attached to the second and sixth carbon atom are ortho substituents. The substituents attached to the third and fifth carbon atoms are meta substituents, and the substituent attached to the fourth carbon atom of the benzene derivative is para substituent. Consider this benzene derivative and compare this structure with structure 1 where the G is alkyl ring residue and there are two substituents attached to this benzene derivative. One is at ortho position and one methoxy substituent at para position. Therefore, the base value is 246 nanometer. One ortho ring residue contributes 3 nanometer. One para-methoxy substituent contributes 25 nanometer. Therefore, lambda max is 274 nanometer. Consider this molecule where there are two alkoxy substituents at ortho position and there is one chloro substituent at meta position and one methoxy substituent at para position. So the base value is 246 nanometer. Two ortho alkoxy substituents contributes 14 nanometer. The metachloro substituent does not contribute to the lambda max of this molecule, and there is one para methoxy substituent which contributes 25 nanometer. Therefore, the lambda max of this molecule is 285 nanometer. Thank you.